They rise up to play like the evil dead, raising some hell. I thought they were dead. Most of they dwell and like to party instead, sleeping all day inside my head, dreaming away, making sure they were fed, spitting these bars just like it was said. It wasn't hard, better give us some cred, playing the cards they have dealt me instead, laughing away, there's so much to dread. Life is okay, but mostly it's dead, feeling like a puppet just dancing for bread, pleasing you bitches until I am dead, sewing my stitches from where I was bled, tearing my heart out in bundles of red. The strings that you pull are hanging to shred. Slaying for cheap, as it's cutting real deep. Sometimes I weep, as demons don't sleep. Pulling my strings, performing for weeks, earning them rings. The more they critique, working the strings till I'm obsolete. Fuck what you think, I can feel the deceit. Can't even blink until I'm complete. Watching me sing, I am drowning too deep. Blood is my ink, as I sold it too cheap. Fuck all you haters, I am bringing some heat. Holding you down, right under my feet, wearing the crown until you retreat. Fuck all you clowns, I am ready to eat. Enough of the crown, just tasting defeat. Dancing around, showing mercy is weak. Hearing them laugh 7 days a week.